Hello, all creative filmmakers. In this video, I am going to show you how to create quick photo shuffle slide effect in Premiere Pro, as you can see. In this way, you can start using it in your own videos. So let's start. Now we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already imported some photos. Now, I am going to open this up by double-clicking. Now, I can easily see all of the photos. All images resolution is 1920 by 1080. Because I have already created a 1920 by 1080 sequence. And now, we need to change the duration of the photos. Now, we have to select all of the photos by pressing Ctrl+A. Now, right-click on them. Next, we have to click on Speed and Duration. Now, you can see, each image has a default duration of 4 seconds and 29 frames. Now, I am going to make this duration only 10 frames. Because 10 frames is the perfect duration for quick photo shuffle effect. Also, you can choose any duration for your project. Now, drag and drop all the photos to the timeline. Now, if we play, it really goes quickly. Next, I'm going to make them more dynamic and more smooth. So, select the first photo and move over to the effects panel to add an effect. This is a transform effect. Now, drag and drop this transform effect to this first photo. Next, move over to the effect controls panel. Now, from the transform effect, we have to click on this stopwatch icon of the scale to create the first keyframe. After that, make the scale value around 150. Next, move the playhead at the very end of this photo. And here, make the scale value around 100. Now, right-click on this last keyframe. Then, click on Ease In. Again, right-click on this first keyframe. Then, click on Ease Out. Now we are done. Now, we have to copy this transform effect. Then, select the rest of the photos. Next, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied transform effect to the selected photos. Now, we are done. Let's preview. Now, you can see, it looks good. Next, move over to the project panel. And here, you can see, I have already imported a frame. It makes our video more vintage and film look. By the way, this is totally optional. Now, drag and drop this frame to the timeline. Now, you can see, it looks great. I will give the download link of this frame. And, you can download this and use your any videos. Next, I'm going to add sound effects. I have already downloaded a sound effect from the mix kit. I will give the download link of this sound effect. And, you can download this and use your any videos. Now, double-click and open it to the source monitor. Now, select the sound part. And then, drag and drop this part to the beginning of each photos. Now, we are done. Let's preview. In this way, you can easily create quick photo shuffle slide effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.